Good morning, students. In previous class, we have studied about the curved surface area of right circular cylinders that we have to find out with the help of the area of rectangle. How to find out the area of the rectangle with the help of area of rectangle? We have find out the curved surface area of right circular cylinder equal to 2 pi rh. Now today we are going to study about the total surface area of the right circular cylinder. So what do you mean total surface area? The total surface area, that is this portions we have calculated by the rectangle, that is 2 pi rh. Now the upper lid and the lower lid, that is it is the circular portions, so its area will be pi r square and its area will be pi r square. So total surface area equal to 2 pi rh plus pi r square 1, second one pi r square, this one. So total surface area will be 2 pi r multiply in bracket pi r plus h. So total surface area of right circular cylinder will be 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Now we will study about the right circular cone. So right circular cone, we will find out the curved surface area of right circular cone. Right circular cone So how to find out the surface area of curved surface area of right circular cone? This is cone. From center it is the height, it is the radius. This is r, this is h, and this one is lateral silent height. Now we will try to divide the cone in two parts, that is dividing this cone, opening this cone. We are trying to open the cone. So when we start opening, so this one will be L and this one is 2 pi r. That is circumference of a circle. Now this converted into this, and again this one will be converted. When we fold it, spread it, then the figure will be in this type. This one is L, this one is 2 pi r from here, 2 pi r. Now we will divide this figure, this spreadsheet, into large number of the triangle. Let us use triangle. We have divided large number of triangle. So this one is base 1, base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, and large number. And this one is lateral height. So area of triangle now, what will be the area of triangle? Find out the area of triangle. Area of triangle. We will find out the area of triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Large number of area of triangles. So what will be the area of triangle? So area of triangle triangle 1. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, large number. Area of triangle 1 equal to 1 by 2 base B1, I have given one B1, and into height. This one is lateral height, that will be L height. So we will add large number of area of triangle, finding out in same way. We will find out large number of area of triangle. So total adding all the area of triangle. So it will be 1 by 2 V1 into L, 1 by 2 V2 into L. So this one large. So at last it will be equal to 1 by 2. This one is the base. So B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. When we add it, it will be that 2 pi equal to 2 pi R. So it will be base equal to 2 pi R, and L. L is common, so that will be L. L is common. So curved surface area equal to pi, it will be divided pi R L. Pi R L. So we have find out curved surface area curved surface area of right circular cone equal to pi R L. Now total surface area. Second one is total surface area. This 4-1. Total surface area of cone building of cone equal to pi R L plus pi R square. That is how it will be. This is the height H R L, and this will be the base, open one portion. We have to find out. So this base will be pi R square. So total surface area equal to pi R L plus R. L plus R. Now, what is the L? It is silent height. So L, when we take out this portion, it will be in the form of right circular triangle, right angle triangle. It is H, it is R, it is L. That is L equal to silent height. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can find L equal to h square plus r square. So this is the silent height. How we can find out the silent height of a figure. So today we have a study about the curved surface area of the right circular cylinder and right circular cone, and total surface area of right circular cylinder and right circular cone. And we have also studied about the silent height, how to find out the silent height of these two figures. Today class is thank you.